this is Ambeka, and as part of the free GenAI Bootcamp, this is my final project submission. So here goes. I've created a French learning app using GenAI, and I've containerized the app in Docker. So I'm bringing it up. So once the container is up, I've hosted this on localhost 3001. My app is called the Petit Explorateur, which means the little explorer in English. And as you can see, it gives you the time of the day, bon après-midi, which means good afternoon, and it gives you the date here. It gives you the streak of the day, your daily challenge, which is the word of the day, which library, which means bookstore, and it also gives you a sentence using that word. And I have 4 different types of games here, and also a AI buddy, which you can talk converse directly with your AI and practice your level of language. And as you progress, it gives you the day streaks, the activities you complete, the words you learn, and which level are you. And it also gives you progress on the daily and weekly goals. So I have given a link to my repository here. And let's begin. So I go into the first game, which is the daily quick learn. So since I had to review again, okay. So what it does is gives you 7 new words in French for today's class. So let's start. So if you can see, it gives you the greetings, and when you click the flashcard, it gives you the meaning of that word. Sorry, along with the definition and the example and how you can use it. So practice using it in different situations, and then you can move on to the next word. So it gives you the French word and which category it comes. Flip to show in English. And so same, gives you the example and tips. And next, poem, which category of food. So as you can see, you keep going here, and then finally when you're in the last word, it gives you a quick quiz. So hello is bonjour, dog is chien, apple pomme, merci, livre, rouge, maison. So your lesson is complete, and it gives you all the today's vocabulary. And let's go home. You can take the next lesson or save the French Hangman. So Hangman was one of my favorite games growing up, and we played it on pen and paper. So this I've used it for the French learning purpose. You can choose your difficulty level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and the category that you want to. So let's go with food and drinks maybe. It loads the data. So guess this 4-letter French word. Show hint. Small green vegetable. So like usually as we pick the most common words. No. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Oh. Okay, finally. Mm. D. Okay. So if you guess wrong, it gives you the what the word was, and you can play the next game. Show hint. Essential for life. definitely water. So let me see. You, yeah. So like this, you have 5 words to guess, and that's the end of the Hangman game. And go back home, or you can choose a phrase builder. Let's say intermediate. Here too, you have the levels and the sentence category you want it to be. Say, let's say daily activities. So how do you translate I wake up early in the morning? So as we picked daily routine, so you have the word bank here. Um, jamais lo. It's not correct. So okay, so when you go little like out of the playing thing, so it gives you some hint to do it correctly. So let's do it again. Je me réveille le matin. Okay, it's correct. So I'm going grocery shopping this evening. So that's 5 rounds, 5 different sentences that you can play. And then we finish the daily learn also from here. And this is the quiz challenge. This is the Kahoot style of quiz challenge that I wanted to implement here. So you'll have 15 seconds to answer. Faster the answers are, you earn more points and you get instant feedback after each question too. So let's take advanced level here and okay, my grammar style. Okay, mixed topics maybe. It takes a bit to load the questions. Okay, so the timer starts counting down. Quel se es passe compose. It's taking some grammar lessons. So what is the past tense of the verb manager with pronoun no? No manager. Okay, not correct. Okay, what is the feminine form of boo? Bell. Okay. What is a past finir? Okay, my French is still bad. Okay, antonym of grand, petite. Okay, so like that you have 10 questions. So I'm just I keep going. Okay, smile. So it keeps asking you to practice, and that's your score. And the most important part of this was the AI language buddy. So you can practice. So here too, depending on your level, let's go with beginner. And for its shopping conversation, talking about weather, directions, or how do you introduce yourself. So let's take restaurant maybe. How would I help you? What would you like to say in French in order to order at a restaurant? So let me say, I want to order coffee. gives you both the answers in French and English. So let's say, so to order coffee, you say Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Next, you can say you can pick out some sample questions here, or you can even go back to a new topic. Let's say asking for directions. Voici trouver place. How do I ask for directions to cafe? Say cafe kitchen. Hotel. So excuse-moi, pouvez me doar comment allez-vous cafe Waterloo? So you can keep continuing the conversation and say thank you. So you're welcome. Feel free to ask. So this is part of that. So as you can see, that's my app. Thank you.